Welcome, fellow DIY guitar builders and enthusiasts. Prepare to embark on an exhilarating journey where the realms of science and music collide in perfect harmony. So, get ready to strum your way to a deeper understanding of music and the fascinating intersection with STEM, also known as Stratocaster, Telecaster, Engineering, and Mathematics. Just kidding. It's science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Forgive me for my lame humor. Building a guitar is a great way to combine your love of music and science. Through hands-on experiences, students are able to explore science, math, and technology through the physics of instrument making. In this video, we will explore this fun STEM project of building your own guitar from a kit. So, if you're interested in combining your love for science and music, or looking for a unique and engaging way to teach STEM subjects, the STEM Guitar Project might be the perfect fit for you. STEM guitar projects are also becoming increasingly popular, with more and more schools and organizations offering guitar building classes to their students. So, everybody ready? Let's begin the class. Step 1. Choose your guitar kit. Before you can begin building your guitar, you will need to decide on the design and the guitar kit you want to build. There are many different guitar kits to choose from, including solid body designs, semi-hollow body designs, and fully hollow body guitars. So, choose one that best fits your interests and skill level. Once you have chosen your design, you will need to prepare luthier tools that you will need for this project. Step 2. Create your plan. Once you have your guitar kit and luthier tools, it's time to get started with your STEM project. This plan will guide you through the building process and ensure that you don't miss any important steps. Be sure to include detailed measurements and visit Guitar Kit World resources page so that you can stay on track throughout the project. Step 3. Staining or painting the body. The body of the guitar is the most visible part, so you will want to make sure it looks great. This step involves getting your hands dirty with paint, stain or dye, and sandpaper. This is the stage that requires careful sanding and finishing to give the guitar body a smooth and polished appearance. Painting a guitar body can be a fun and exciting process. It allows builders to personalize their instruments and make them unique to their preferences. Whether it's a solid body or an acoustic guitar, the process of painting a guitar body allows builders to create something special that they can be proud of. Step 4. Install the hardware and electronics. The hardware and electronics are essential components of any guitar, as they allow you to play and adjust the sound of the instrument. This step involves installing tuning pegs, bridge, pickups, and other components, and wiring them correctly to ensure that the guitar sounds great. Some guitar builders consider hardware selection to be one of the most critical aspects of the building process. Choosing the right components such as the bridge, tuners, and pickups can greatly affect the guitar's playability, tone, and overall feel. Hardware installation itself is also an important step and requires attention to detail to ensure proper fit and function of the components. Installing the bridge and pickguard, for example, involves using STEM-related skills and using the appropriate tools in order to finish the task. Last but not the least, step 5. Set up and tune your guitar. So once you have completed the building process, it's time to set up and tune your guitar. This involves adjusting the string height, intonation, and other factors to ensure that your guitar plays and sounds great. Additionally, building a guitar from a kit or modifying an existing one involves understanding the physics of sound and acoustics, as well as the engineering and design aspects of the instrument, which again is a great STEM exercise for young adults. So there you go, folks. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So as you can see, building a guitar is not only a fun and rewarding project, but it's also a great way to develop STEM skills. From designing and measuring to wiring and tuning, this project involves a wide range of scientific and mathematical concepts. So why not try your hand at building your own guitar today? Have a fun DIY journey. Till next time, rock on!